Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can refer and earn Amazon Pay, and I will also show you why some of the users are unable to do this. So in order for you to actually do refer and earn, the first thing that you have to do is just simply go to your Amazon application, then just simply click on the hamburger icon at the bottom right corner. Now from there just simply click on Amazon Pay. Now in order for you to actually use Amazon Pay or Amazon Pay balance, you have to complete the KYC and identification form that can be found over here. As you can see, KYC. You have to complete this. I've already made a video how you can do that. So just simply go through that and complete your KYC. And after you have completed your KYC, simply scroll back up and click on send money over here. Now in send money, as you can see at the down portion, you can see invite your friend to win scratch cards. And below that it's written you will get a particular amount when you invite your friend for the first time. You can also click over here which says you can invite. So just simply click on that. Then in this page, you will find all the contacts that you have on your phone and who you can send the invite. So one way of sending invite is to simply search for a person who you want to send the invite. And after searching the person, just simply click on invite. Then your WhatsApp will open up, or any type of social media which you may use to invite people. So just simply choose your WhatsApp. Then a message will automatically pop up. All you have to do is just simply click on the green send button over here and it will go. Now the person that I invited, if he does any type of shopping after clicking on my link, I will get a particular amount as a referral bonus. Now you can also give a link by clicking on invite your friend over here. You can just simply click directly share invite or invite on WhatsApp. So just now you saw how you can do this on WhatsApp. Now let me show you how you can do normally. So just simply click on share invite. Then you will find all the media which you can use to invite anyone, as you can see over here. And over here you can choose any one of them and you can send to anyone. Then when that person buys from that link, you will get a certain amount of bonus. Now let's talk about why some people are unable to use this feature. So it's a very simple fix. All you have to do is just simply go back to your Play Store, then search for Amazon, see whether do you have an update or not, and if you have an update, just simply update the application, and after the update the issue should most probably be fixed. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.